In this section, I want you to show how to commit the changes when you program or even game develop a project. For my purpose, I use Git to stash the changes. As you can use also GitHub or other Git tools. I just created a project named it Souls-like RPG 5.7 EN, and what I did is an initial project, SSH, copy it, and afterwards you just can go and git clone and get it cloned. I already cloned the project and transferred here just by drag and drop the files. You can see that there are some files here, its folder and so on. And with the command git add dot, you can just add everything onto this actual state. And with git status, you can check, okay, what is added or what is edited at the moment. And there's a lot edited. So afterwards, you can commit stage, just write git commit -m for the message. And easily I used add. Okay, I add something. And what I did is I want to name it like the video I made. So something like that. Here's a video I made, and the subject is X and shield into unrealengine. It's import. So after commit is done, now the changes are locally on my computer. Git status says everything is up to date. The origin master is ahead on one commit. So basically it says that the server has not received anything yet. I reload it, and afterwards I can get git push. And after git push, he will push the commit I made. The files will be uploaded to the server, so I keep track what I'm doing. Also, if something breaks, I can revert changes or even check out an old state if you have some question and I have the time to answer it. So after uploading the files, it will just upload the files to the Git server. The first time it may take a while because of the assets. When everything is done, then it is up to date, and you can check with git status that the origin master is up to date, and the local repository also. Double check when we refresh here. We see that here are the files and our commits. The empty project and the files with this video. It's the last video. Basically, if you are collaborating with some other game devs, you can just git pull and get all the changes from the server, then do some stuff, then git commit -m, your text, what you changed, and so on. Before I can commit, git add dot will add everything you changed. After that, the commit, git commit -m with the text, it's an add or was it in fix or and so on. And before you do git push, you maybe will like to git pull if meanwhile someone else is changing the server state. And afterwards, when everything is fine, just git push and it will push it to the server so the server has the state. With something like git checkout, you can check out states when you want to get an older state, or you can just use some GUI elements. Don't have to use the command line tools. Maybe you want to use something like GitHub Desktop. So the GitHub Desktop is an user interface to get things done within a GUI and to click. And also very good is lightweight Git itself. So the Git is usually a lightweight Git GUI or Git bash with the Git GUI. So you can either use a bash or a GUI, or just use a built-in Git from Windows to get your things done. And just have a web overview over the files. So that's for it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.